Okay, here I am driving on Highway 1 north from Pacifica. Just past the Ceremony off-ramp, and I'm about to come to the 280 connector. So I wanted you to see exactly what it is that I see. I'm in the far right-hand lane, which is exiting Highway 1 and going to 280 south. There's a sign here that says prepare to stop. You can see everybody slam on the brake lights. This is exit 509B connector ramp to 280 south. And there's a sign here that says meter on. And everybody's slowing down as we head towards 280. And the traffic on 280 is all traveling very fast. So we are slowing down in preparation, and here we approach the metering light, which is red, and it says there's 2 cars go on each green. So I'm the second car, so I'm going to be going now. And now I'm creeping up to the speed on 280. At the same time, I'm also merging, and the traffic on 280 is going very fast. We just come out of the city, and now we're passing Ceremony Boulevard. So there you have it. There's the metering light.